trust me, CID is something that it's very different of what I've done, and it is very challenging, very intimidating for me, because to stand alongside Daya sir and Abhijit sir in itself is a challenge. बहुत लोगों को ये जोक लगा, बहुत लोग हंसने लग गए. My immediate friends, they started laughing. I'm like हैं कुछ भी ऐसा. Then I told them कि such and such is the character. I would be playing ACP. क्या बात है, मतलब दया को बोलेगा दरवाजा तोड़ने. It is next to impossible to replace any character. So even if it's Abhijit sir, or even if it's Daya sir, or even if it's ACP Pradyuman, yeah, it is impossible. This is the first time in my life where I was trolled. And the most funniest part, I think this is the first interview where I'll break it in fact, कि मेरा आज तक ऑडिशन के थ्रू नहीं हुआ कोई भी काम. 300 से 400 ऑडिशन दिए हैं, लेकिन किसी में भी क्लिक नहीं हुआ. कैसी ही आर्या was that one show that gave me that first success, and until then I had never tasted success. I didn't know what success was. So that show gave me a lot of success, but also it took away a lot from my own personal life, and that went along with all the other actors also on the show. Their personal lives, I would say, were screwed. Irrespective of how my project does or how my project doesn't do, I have kept myself at a very sane level. I don't see myself कि अभी ये project के बाद देख मैं क्या होऊंगा. Because I remember Kasauti, I kept doing Anurag, I kept playing my character. I never went into that zone कि oh, this is like one of the biggest shows that I have gotten it. Oh wow, I'm so glad ये वो. Nothing of that sort.
So like ACP Ayushman is something a very different role, right? But people were drawing comparisons क्योंकि आप replace कर रहे हो किसी को. How can you get in his shoe? Experience के comparisons हुए, एक style का comparison हुआ. Did that bother you? Hello and welcome to Bollywood Bubble. I am Akriti Bagla, and today I am with the heartthrob of television, and I say because he has finally returned to the space after 5 years, Parth Samthan. Hello and welcome.
Thank you so much. Am I still
You
likeable
are.
on television?
Obviously you are. Aren't you reading the response and the reviews that are coming your way?
Yeah, I am. But although they wished कि I did something else,
Yeah.
what they have liked, जो उनको
True.
पसंद आता है उनको वो zone में देखना अच्छा लगेगा. But yes, I am, like I said, as an artist, you need to explore yourself.
True.
And this is something that I never expected. कि CID, it's basically, I would say, a cross collaboration. कि something that you would never expect coming your way. So yeah, it is a challenge, and I have taken up the challenge.
Yeah, but you know, Parth, आपने अभी बोला ना, maybe audience were expecting to see you in a different light. As actors, you know how important it is to actually take up for such opportunities, because हमेशा आपकी image वही रही, okay, the romantic guy, the college going boy, right? Is it tough to break and convince audience that okay, I can play a strong ACP as well?
It is tough, because television is something which leaves a mark
Yeah.
on everyone's mind, because
True.
it goes for the longer process. तो फिल्म कैसा होता है कि आप 2 घंटे के लिए देखते हो, फिर उसके बाद आप भूल जाते हो.
yeah.
ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आप ओवरनाइट उसके बारे में सोचते हो. अगले 3-4 दिन अगर बहुत अच्छी फिल्म रही तो उसके बारे में बात करोगे, एंड दैट्स इट. टेलीविजन इज समथिंग वो आपके साथ रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में आपके साथ उठ रहा है, बैठ रहा है.
Yeah.
तो आप रोज़ 8:30 बजे आ रहे हो, वो आपको देख रहे हैं, फिर आप OTT पे आ रहे हो, फिर आप न्यूज़ में भी आ रहे हो, फिर वही कैरेक्टर आपके साथ आसपास मंडरा रहा है, रिवॉल्व हो रहा है. तो और वो चलता है अगले 2 साल के लिए, 1 साल के लिए, 3 साल के लिए. So it is very difficult for everyone, for any artist to break that image and to get into another character and expect people would love you. Starting में it is never easy. People will not like you. People will give you that heads up कि अरे यार, what you're doing was very good. Why did you leave that show? फलाना ढिमकाना, मतलब आपको वो नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए था, or get back to that show, do a season 2 of that show. So it's very this thing, but we as artists, we want to explore different characters, and trust me, CID is something that it's very different of
Yeah.
what I've done.
Yeah.
And it is very challenging, very intimidating for me, because to stand alongside Daya sir and Abhijit sir in itself is a challenge.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But even when this offer came, ना लोगों ने ऐसा advice किया कि okay, it is already a longest running show, there will be comparisons, maybe you will get overshadowed. कुछ ऐसे advices या tips मिले थे कि okay,
नहीं,
you
बहुत
should
लोगों को
not
जोक
take.
लगा ये. बहुत लोगों को ये जोक लगा, बहुत लोग हंसने लग गए. My immediate friends, they started laughing. Like हैं कुछ ऐसा. I thought I was cracking a joke कि मैं CID कर रहा हूँ. So they're like क्या? And then I was like, मैं सच में कर रहा हूँ, क्या बात कर रहा है? So then I told them कि such and such is the character, and I would be playing ACP. क्या बात है, मतलब दया को बोलेगा दरवाजा तोड़ने. तो yeah, so we have seen and we have grown watching the show,
Yeah,
and it is
true.
a part of our lives. एंड 21 years 23 years it's not a joke. मतलब ज़िंदगी निकल जाती है आपको वो एक करने में. And the other day I was telling Abhijit sir and Daya sir कि I also believe in such life where as an artist थोड़ा सा काम करो लेकिन ऐसा काम करो ना कि वो ज़िंदगी भर लोगों को याद रह जाए कि मतलब यार वो इंसान उसमें था. फॉर एग्जाम्पल और इवन फॉर एग्जाम्पल शक्तिमान.
Yeah.
It is lifelong. It is Shaktiman and Shaktiman. That's it. We all know it. So similarly, CID, AC Pradyuman or Daya, or they've been lifelong characters and they will obviously be remembered. तो मैं भी as an actor, I want people to remember me कि मैं चुनिंदा काम करूँ, क्वालिटी काम करूँ, लेकिन ऐसा काम करूँ कि लोग आपको ज़िंदगी भर याद करें. जैसे मेरा शो कैसी आ रही है. It worked for so many years and it's been like we made 5 seasons out of it. And yeah, Manik. Still till today people meet me and they address me as Manik and they want to know more about कैसी area. They want to ask questions about कि आगे कब आएगा और क्या आएगा. So yeah, that is something that an actor strives for.
Even Kasauti became a hit.
Even Kasauti. Yes, absolutely.
But you know when you जब नाम आया ना क्योंकि Parth Samthan is coming in the show, but I want to know for a fact you are playing a very different character. Like ACP Ayushman is something a very different role, right? But people were drawing comparisons क्योंकि आप replace कर रहे हो किसी को. How can you get in his shoe? Experience के comparisons हुए, एक style का comparison हुआ. Did that bother you?
Oh, it didn't at all because to be honest मैं comments पढ़ता नहीं हूँ. मैं ज़्यादा सोशल मीडिया पे अपने आप को ज़्यादा नेगेटिविटी या ट्रोलिंग पे देखता नहीं हूँ. बट येस आई वुड लाइक टू से कि दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट टाइम इन माई लाइफ where I was trolled. And I didn't realize that. I didn't read the comments. It's basically the whole where you have your own fans.
Yeah.
You know, they vouch out for you and they are like your extended family. They are the ones to tell you, okay, Parth, you're doing good job. Don't worry about the trolls. Don't worry about the trolls. Irrespective of so many people not liking your character, but we all love it. And I'm like, really? I didn't realize until then कि ऐसा भी कुछ है. And it was a challenging part for me and I took it in the most positive manner aspect क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि यार that show has been such a cult show, such an iconic show and is still running and is so much alive in our lives that it is next to impossible to replace any character.
Exactly.
So even if it's Abhijit sir or even if it's Daya sir or even if it's AC Pradyuman, yeah, it is impossible. The kind of work that they have done over the years, it's commendable. So yeah, it is a challenge in itself. And coming back to your question, I don't read the comments, but yes, all I try to do is not to be कि मतलब यार ये इसकी इनकी तरह बनने की कोशिश कर रहा है और copy the character or try to be like him or try to imitate like him. Nothing of that sort. I bring my own set of uniqueness. I bring my own set of character. कि I feel कि ACP Ayushman should be like this. And that is what I'm trying to justify.
But you know, with reports of him apparently making a comeback in the show, are you looking forward to maybe share screen space with him?
I did.
You did, but again, like बोल रहे हैं ना कि okay, the character may be revived for several reasons. Are you looking forward for that stint again?
Absolutely. I shot with him, and I so much thoroughly enjoyed the entire day shooting with him because that whole day it was just me and him.
Yeah.
There was no other actor. So I thoroughly enjoyed. I felt like मुझे कोई मराठी का पुणे का कोई दोस्त मिल गया because entire day we spoke in Marathi and he asked me about my family, where do I come from, what I have done, everything. And I told him that I have heard so much about you on the sets and how you have kept this unity amongst all the actors on the set for so many years. It's commendable. So for me it was like basically a son sitting in front of his father and getting to know him, spending quality time with him. That was me. And I'm looking forward to working with him again because अच्छी बात तो ये है कि मैंने उनके मुंह से भी तारीफ सुनी मेरे लिए because that's what Daya sir and Abhijit sir told me. They spoke to him and they said like, अरे he's a wonderful guy and बहुत अच्छा इंसान है और मज़ा आया उसके साथ काम करके. So yeah.
But is he truly taking a backseat from the show? जो reports आई थी,
No, I don't think so. No. I feel the energy, the output, or considering his old age because he's 75.
Yeah.
मतलब I don't know कि मतलब मैं 55 पे कहाँ रहूँगा, but 75 is so commendable. मतलब और entire day we had to stand and he has an injury, ligament injury, and still he was coping up with it. He was making sure, कि पैकअप होने तक I should somehow, और ऐसा नहीं था कि मेरे पैर में दर्द हो रहा है मैं जा रहा हूँ या एनीथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट, नो एक्सक्यूजेस. He was there as a responsible actor, as an artist should be, and he gave his 100%, and that was inspiring for me.
बट पार्थ यू नो टेलीविजन में हमने भी देखा है इवन बैक देन द शोज विच वेंट फॉर 10 years 15 years सम आर इवन गोइंग टिल नाउ 20 years हो गए. टीआरपी ऊपर नीचे होती है whenever you change the storyline, you get a new character.
Yeah.
But during those transition phase, if an actor is blamed कि okay आपकी वजह से टीआरपी नहीं आ रही है, how do you look at this narrative?
ये तो मेरे साथ नहीं हुआ अब तक.
Yeah.
मुझे ऐसे किसी ने कुछ बोला नहीं है. और हालांकि मुझे आदत क्या है, हमने कसौटी किया है तो आई रिमेंबर दैट टेलीविजन में अक्सर होता है कि यू स्टार्ट कंपेयरिंग एवरी वीक, बीइंग ऑनेस्ट, कि यू स्टार्ट कंपेयरिंग कि हमारे रेटिंग्स ऐसे हैं, हाउ कैन वी लुक फॉरवर्ड टू इम्प्रूव आवर रेटिंग्स एंड हाउ कैन वी गेट ऑन टॉप एंड देन हाउ कैन वी बीट द अदर शोज. तो ये सब कंपटीशन, इट्स ऑल हेल्दी कंपटीशन. और यहाँ पर जबकि हालांकि पहले हफ्ते में आया और पहले हफ्ते बाद मैंने ये सवाल पूछा कि टीआरपी का क्या सीन होता है, ये अरे वो तो आप रिलैक्स करो, उसकी तो हमें परवाह ही नहीं है, बिकॉज हम उसके अकॉर्डिंग नहीं हम हमारे स्टोरी लाइन लिखते, विच इज़ अ वेरी वंडरफुल थिंग टू हियर कि आप रेटिंग्स के अकॉर्डिंग, टीआरपी के अकॉर्डिंग आप अपनी स्टोरी लाइन नहीं लिखते. तो उसकी तो हमें पड़ती ही नहीं है. हम इतने 20 साल से शो चलते आ रहे हैं, हमें थोड़ी टीआरपी की पड़ी है. हमारा टीआरपी कांस्टेंट रहा है, गिरा है, ऊपर उठा है, डजंट मैटर. वी हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट वी गिव गुड स्टोरीज, न्यू स्टोरीज. और एंड आई एम एक्चुअली, इट्स वेरी सरप्राइजिंग व्हेन आई रीड एपिसोड जो पूरा आता है मुझे कि कल मुझे जाके क्या बोलना है, कैसा है, क्या है, एक दिन पहले, तो आई मेक श्योर कि मैं पूरा एपिसोड पढूं. और इतना इंटरेस्टिंग होता है बिकॉज यू वांट टू नो एज एन ऑडियंस कि आगे क्या होगा, आगे क्या होगा, आगे क्या होगा. सो द होल थ्रिल फैक्टर, द होल सस्पेंस फैक्टर कीप्स यू ग्लूड ऑन टेलीविजन. एंड आई कैन सी कि मतलब दे राइट सच फैंटास्टिक स्टोरीज. अमेजिंग होता है.
बट यू नो पार्थ 5 साल में कितना बदला है टेलीविजन, इफ आई आस्क यू? क्योंकि
5 साल में
मुझे
नहीं पता यार, मैं 5 साल से एकदम टेलीविजन से अवे रहा हूँ.
दैट्स व्हाई. व्हाट आर द चेंजेस यू आर लाइक नोटिसिंग?
आई हैवंट नोटिस्ड एनीथिंग ऑन टेलीविजन बिकॉज आई डोंट वॉच टेलीविजन, आई वॉच स्पोर्ट्स. तो मैं फुटबॉल देखता हूँ, मैं क्रिकेट देखता हूँ, आईपीएल देखता हूँ. तो लाइक द अदर डे आई सॉ राजस्थान रॉयल्स, वैभव सूर्यवंशी, मतलब 14-year-old यार.
Inspiring.
Thankfully, like India's future is in like wonderful golden hands, and he has like easily 20 odd years now to play, 25 years. So his future is set, and that is commendable. Like a 14-year-old, it's truly inspiring and motivating, yeah, for everyone.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But you know, working conditions par kitne badle hain television mein, because you know, off late many actors have been coming out and speaking about, say, the long working condition, the kind of delay in payments they are facing and the issues transpiring from it. Have you faced from it, or do you see कि now things are better?
nahi, fortunately I haven't faced any sort of things because only 2 production houses I've worked with. Thankfully that was BBC and Balaji, and they've been fantastic regarding your treatment as for an artist and also the payments. उसके अलावा I don't think, in fact, yes, I would like to say address in fact कि films बहुत different है और films take a lot of time. And it takes a lot of time, और उसकी वजह से ना आप actor as patience के level पे ना आप हिल जाते हो कि a person coming from television, आपको आदत होती है कि आप 2 महीना काम करो या 1 महीना काम करो, आपको 1 महीने में पेमेंट आ जाती है. आप दूसरे महीने काम कर रहे हो, वो लगातार चल रहा है, यू नो, लाइक दैट होल योर माइंड इज़ वर्किंग. बट सडनली आप 15 दिन का शेड्यूल कर रहे हो, फिर आप 7 दिन बैठे हो, फिर 1 महीना गैप होता है, फिर आप 7 दिन का शेड्यूल करते हो, एंड वो 3-4 महीने ऐसे चलता है. तो वो बहुत थोड़ा सा ऐसा लगता है कि यार ख़त्म करो. सो दैट एंड आई डोंट ब्लेम बिकॉज दे हैव देयर ओन रीजंस फॉर दैट. But yes, films take a lot of time. उसकी payments भी a lot of time. Everything takes a lot of time. So I would say television is much better. Yeah.
I mean, you are the first actor who is saying that.
No.
After doing films and now TV simultaneously.
No. Work-wise, I would say, like as an actor, as an artist, yes, of course, films are better because they give you time to perform, they give you time to prepare. But since you asked about payments and everything, I would say television is much better. Yeah.
But you know what? Even your journey has been equally inspiring because as a boy from Pune, coming to Mumbai, making. How was your first encounter with acting? Like, आप वहाँ से ऑफर लेके आए थे या after coming here you tried your hand?
Oh no. Coming here, I was studying architecture. I was a BR student. I was studying in Bandra, LS Raheja, and उसके साथ मुझे किसी ने बोला था कि अपना एक कुछ फोटोज़ भेज दे, तो उसने मुझे बोला था अपना एक फ़ोटो शूट करा ले. तो I remember I was back then I was 18. That is the first photo shoot that I had done. और मैं अभी देखता हूँ, मैं उसके ऊपर इतना हंसता हूँ मैं, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली यार यू आर 18, यू आर दोस
Obviously.
नाइव किड, यू आर वेरी इनोसेंट, और आपके इनोसेंस झलकती है, आपको
True,
पता नहीं
true.
इंडस्ट्री कैसी है, क्या है, कैसा है, और अंदर वो जोश है, वो एनर्जी है, वो हार्मोनल चेंजेस भी है एज अ
True,
टीनेजर
true.
कि यू वांट टू प्रूव समथिंग, यू आर अ रिबेलियस किड, यू वांट टू वर्क विथ व्हाट यू वांट, एंड यू थिंक दैट यू नो इट ऑल. वो वाला चीज़ होता है ना कि आप माँ बाप को बोलते हैं अरे मॉम डैड आपको नहीं पता, हमें पता है, हमने देखी है दुनिया, या ऑल दैट होल एटीट्यूड which is completely wrong. But you are in that zone to prove yourself. So yeah, I think architecture was that period where, and I was like 2021 back
Yeah.
then, 20 या 21 साल का था मैं, तब मुझे ये रियलाइज़ हुआ, तब मैंने फिर एक्टिंग स्कूल करी, लाइक बिकॉज समवन टोल्ड मी कि व्हाई डोंट यू गेट द क्राफ्ट ऑफ इट, और मुझे वही लगा कि यार ऑडिशन में मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आएगा, सो इट्स बेटर टू लर्न. सो आई डिड थिएटर, एंड देन पोस्ट दैट ऑडिशन, एंड देन one thing led to another.
But
वैसा.
initial days मुंबई में tough थे, like
टफ
everyone.
होते हैं यार, और होने भी चाहिए,
Okay.
and that teaches you a lot.
Yeah.
Like I remember one of those days where I had no house, और like मैंने decide किया था कि मैं actor बनना चाहूँगा, and I had a very tiff with my family, and because they were expecting कि I would be a very educational kid where I would get a degree and start up my own business and everything, and then comes this अंदर वाला जो कीड़ा होता है ना, जो पैशन वाला जो होता है,
Passion too.
उसको फॉलो करने के राह पर निकल गया है. और फिर उसके बाद वो ऐसा टाइम भी है जहाँ पर 2-3 दिन मैंने मरीन ड्राइव पे बिताए, वहाँ पे सोया मैं, एंड या इट वाज अ नाइस, आई ऑलवेज लुक बैक एंड आई टेक दैट एज वंडरफुल मेमोरीज.
Yeah. But how do you deal with rejections now? Because as an actor, you have to go to thousands of audition role. कभी मिलता है, कभी you
हाँ.
don't land up the part for several reasons, right?
हाँ,
How do you
हाँ.
deal with rejections or say not getting a project now?
मुझे ऐसा लगता है द मोस्ट फनीस्ट पार्ट, आई थिंक दिस इज द फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू वेल आई ब्रेक इट इन फैक्ट, कि मेरा आज तक ऑडिशन के थ्रू नहीं हुआ
Ooh.
कोई भी काम, कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट. मेरा ऑडिशन के थ्रू, यस फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट जो हुआ वो ऑडिशन के थ्रू हुआ, लेकिन उसके बाद वो जितना भी मुझे काम मिला आज तक, वो एक प्रोजेक्ट देखकर दूसरे प्रोजेक्ट में हुआ है, वो कन्वर्ट हुआ है.
True.
तो मैंने, ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं ये कहना चाहूँ कि मैंने उसके बाद फिर ऑडिशन देना बंद कर दिया, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. मैंने उसके बाद आज तक 300 से 400 ऑडिशन दिए हैं,
True.
लेकिन किसी में भी क्लिक नहीं हुआ है.
Huh?
बट दैट डजंट मीन दैट आई शुड स्टॉप गिविंग ऑडिशन, बिकॉज आई बिलीव कि इट इज़ सो मच टू लर्न,
Yeah.
कि वो आप एक दिन के लिए कुछ और एक किरदार करने को मिलता है, बहुत मज़ा आता है. और कहीं ना कहीं मैं रिजेक्शन के लिए एक्सेप्टेड, मैं अपने दिमाग में एक्सेप्टेड हूँ कि ऐसा नहीं है, बिकॉज समवेयर और द अदर देयर आर, लाइक यू सेड, देयर आर सेवरल रीजंस
Yeah. there
एंड
are
यू डोंट
several
नो.
reasons we don't.
और हालांकि ऐसे भी रीजंस होते हैं जो आप शॉर्ट लिस्टेड हो जाते हो, आप फाइनल इसमें हो, और फिर आपको कोई और रिप्लेस कर लेता है,
Yeah.
एंड वो रीज़न कुछ और ही निकलता है. वो रीज़न ये भी हो सकता है कि वो किसी के पहचान का हो,
Yeah.
या वो खुद प्रोड्यूसर हो, वो खुद पैसा लगा रहा हो फिल्म में.
True.
ऐसा भी हो चुका है मेरे साथ.
Ooh.
तो या आई हैव बीन रिप्लेस्ड इन अ फिल्म वेयर आई हैड डन वर्कशॉप्स फॉर इट like 40-45 days, and then I was replaced last minute पे. I have been replaced in a film where an actor has decided to invest in a film and he himself became a producer. So I was replaced there. So yeah, it has several reasons.
Yeah.
So it is important for any artist, any actor watching this, not to take it on your heart, rejections, because yes, आपको मतलब ऐसा लगता है कि यार आप में क्या बुराई है, आप क्यों नहीं हुए, आपने ऑडिशन इतना अच्छा दिया है. Maybe I would say it's just destiny, nothing
True.
else.
Nothing
Because वो कहते हैं ना कि you have to be at the right place at the right time.
else. Yeah.
तो हो सकता है कि वो वक्त आपके लिए सही ना हो सकता है कि वो लोग आपके लिए सही ना हो सकता है कि वो टाइम पे आपने ऑडिशन अपना बेस्ट दिया, आपको लग रहा है, लेकिन उनके अकॉर्डिंग उनके दिमाग में कुछ और क्लिक हो गया, या तभी कुछ और फिट बैठ रहा है. सो डोंट ब्लेम योर सेल्फ, यू हैव टू कीप वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स इट, यू हैव टू कीप ट्राइंग, और कभी ना कभी आपकी किस्मत चमकेगी. दैट्स व्हाट the whole world lives on.
Lives on, true.
Yeah.
But what has been the bizarre reason you have heard for rejection? Okay, मतलब even it didn't align with what you have ever thought.
So this film that I was replaced, like I said, after doing workshops and
Yeah.
everything, the most bizarre reason I heard was the reason that I was replaced, and I got a long message from the director saying कि Parth, I'm really sorry, I take up the whole responsibility as a director, but unfortunately, and I was not playing the main lead.
Okay.
I was playing the supportive character. Like there are two heroes in the film, and so but and the other actor is an established one. So but you dying in the film will take away the whole sympathy because of your innocence on your face, and that sympathy, if audience takes away, that will take away all the sympathy from my hero,
True.
which I felt was very bizarre. So yeah, but again, there are various reasons.
True.
Again, you have to just wait for your destiny.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But also, if I look back at your television career now, with every show you have done, okay,
हाँ.
you have got immense popularity and the fan base. Even I think आपके character के नाम से ज़्यादा fan bases है than your own name, if I say.
Yeah.
Character के नाम से
Yeah,
ज़्यादा.
yeah.
How do you handle fame part? Because एक होता है ना, I spoke to Ejaz Khan also and several TV actors. They are like कि जब वो एक fame मिलता है ना, sometimes we are not able to handle it in a right way, right? And as artists, we come across as rude, arrogant, but actually we know what we are going through with the struggle, you know, we face on sets or maybe to meet the working hours and telecast. How do you deal with fame at this stage? And do you feel somewhere or the other that has been the case with you as well?
No, I would say it's learning process with every project that you take up.
Yeah.
It depends on what lessons that you learn from. So I analyze. I personally always analyze every year what I've done, what rights I've done, what wrongs I've done.
True.
So Kaisi Yaria was that one show that gave me that first success.
Yeah.
And until then, I had never tasted success. I didn't know what success was.
Success was.
So that show gave me a lot of success, but also it took away a lot from my own personal life. And that went along with all the other actors also on the show.
Yeah.
Their personal lives, I would say, were screwed, were dismantled, were a mess. So and plus the toll, like you said, as actors say, it takes a toll on you.
Yeah.
Because shooting extensively and excruciatingly every day for 16 hours. और जैसे ही वो खत्म होता है, आपका नेक्स्ट टेलीकास्ट का डेडलाइन आ जाता है, सो इट इज़ अ वेरी मीटिंग द टारगेट सॉर्ट ऑफ अ वर्क. तो दैट इनिशियली एंड स्पेशली उसके साथ फिर सक्सेस भी मिल गया, तो दैट एज एन एक्टर फॉर मी इट वेंट ऑन माई हेड and I took that. I didn't know how to react. So that time it went on my head. Post that, I decided when I left Kaisi Yaria season 2 and everything, I took a break, everything. And that was more like a downfall for me. But again, that was a learning experience. And that actually taught me a lot. And till today, irrespective of how my project does or how my project doesn't do, I have kept myself at a very sane level. I don't see myself कि अभी ये project के बाद देख मैं क्या होऊंगा, या फिर ये अभी people have started liking this, now I see what. Because I remember Kasauti, I kept doing Anurag, I kept playing my character. I never went into that zone कि oh this is like one of the biggest shows that I have gotten it. Oh wow, I'm so glad. ये वो, nothing of that sort. I very much trusted in Ekta ma'am's conviction, and she has some magic over when she has to cast someone. So yeah, if she felt that I was the right choice, maybe I justified it. And she was proud of it. She came and told me that you were a surprise package because no one had any expectations from you. Because I hadn't done any sort of television per se, apart from Kaisi Yaria, which was a huge show.
True.
So apart from that, I had never done a daily soap. So no one had any expectations from me. But I shined, and people loved me as Anurag. So that was actually a path breaking. And that time also, I didn't let success or any sort of like positives take me कि okay, you know what, now I know everything. वैसा कुछ भी नहीं. And till date, I do that because every day I feel is a learning process, and there is so much to learn as an artist here.
But how do you maintain your silence at times? Because as artist ना आपकी life पे बहुत scrutiny होती है, right? And when you are not from say a film family or someone backing you or guiding you, how do you deal with the spotlight? Even आज तक जैसे CID के through भी जो हुआ, coming on your personal life, how do you have you sort of made peace with the fact कि okay लोग लिखेंगे जो लिखना, or do you feel like okay I should give back at least once?
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं कि it's not about I should give back at least once, and I will never say कि I will never say anything. Maybe silence is the best solution to this or response to this. Maybe it is.
Maybe, yeah.
But there will be a time where I feel कि if at all it is necessary कि बस इससे ज़्यादा तो नहीं, this is the limit, then I will reach out to the people. But until and unless, the best way is to not read comments, not to get affected. Because unfortunately ये बहुत गलत चीज़ है, and it is very human nature कि आपके लिए 20 लोग अगर आपके पोस्ट के नीचे अगर 20 लोग अच्छा कह रहे हैं और वो 21वां इंसान कुछ नेगेटिव लिखता है, आप वो 20 याद नहीं रखोगे, आप वो 21वां कमेंट याद रखोगे वो पूरा दिन कि उसने ऐसा बोला या उसने ऐसा कहा, क्यों ऐसा क्यों, क्या सच में, यू स्टार्ट डाउटिंग योरसेल्फ.
Yeah, it happens.
So,
it happens.
so that is very unfortunate.
Yeah.
But that is again being human.
Yeah.
It is okay.
Yeah.
And then you learn your lesson out of it.
Yeah.
Okay, not to be affected, not to read, stay away from negativity.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you know, Parth, after Good Chadi, I wanted to compliment you. We saw a fun side of you, जो शायद हमने टेलीविजन में भी नहीं देखी थी ना,
जी.
as ACP आज देख रहे हैं, right?
जी.
You are an actor जिसने ना अपने क्राफ्ट से प्रूव किया कि okay, I can act, I can be a big screen person also, OTT person also, right? But on the contrary, when you see कि okay, just because someone is coming from a film backing, gets more credence over you, how do you get bothered कि no यार, my craft is speaking for me, so I should be selected? Yeah, does that thought ever cross your mind?
It used to bother at the start because, like I said, I was young, I was
Yeah.
learning. There was no one to guide me, and I wished that time, like I genuinely wish that if an outsider is coming,
Exactly.
is into the industry, I genuinely feel that there should be someone to guide you, because irrespective of what, you don't know what path to take, and obviously that is the most beautiful journey to
also.
explore.
Yeah.
But in that journey now, it doesn't teach you how much patience one should have,
Yeah.
or this is the wrong path, this is the right path.
Right
No
path,
one is telling you,
true.
irrespective of if people from family background, people from this industry, they come from, they guide them
Yeah,
कि मतलब
definitely.
who to meet, who not to meet, how to behave in a particular manner, what to say, what not to say. So irrespective of that, initially I used to have that, but over the years I felt, yeah, it's all about I would say kismat.
हाँ.
See, there was what's the point in comparing where आज मैं एक पर्टिकुलर फैमिली में पैदा हुआ हूँ, तुम एक पर्टिकुलर फैमिली में पैदा हुई हो, देयर इज़ अ रीज़न. ओके, आपने वो शायद हो सकता है पास्ट कार्मिक रीजंस हो, कर्मा हो या डेस्टिनी हो, बट देयर इज़ अ रीज़न व्हाई यू आर बॉर्न इन अ पर्टिकुलर फैमिली एंड आई एम बॉर्न इन अ पर्टिकुलर फैमिली. अब उसके ऊपर उसको ब्लेम थोड़ी कर सकते हैं यार कि तुम क्यों हुई है. दे आर ऑल्सो हैंडलिंग देयर ओन प्रेशर एंड इट्स नॉट ईजी फॉर देम टू, दे ऑल्सो हैव टू बिहेव इन सच अ वे. ये वो, येस, आई वुड से कि द फर्स्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी दैट दे गेट is something that they get it and then they have to prove.
Yeah.
If they don't prove, then audience will take them. Matlab, they'll be like, no, we don't like them, we don't accept them. So it's as simple as that.
Yeah. And you Parth, अभी हम बात कर रहे थे ना, you बार-बार pointed कि okay, acting has taught me patience. This industry में जितनी भी बार was Parth an impatient person before entering the showbiz?
Always. I wanted like ये ऐसे हो,
Instant.
हाँ, instant हो जाए कि ये शो करूँ, फिर इसके बाद ये करूँ, फिर इसके बाद ये करूँ, इसके बाद ये करूँ. Like I had planned my life,
Yeah.
वैसा वाला. But a lot of things in my life, जैसे कि मैंने कहा, coming back to that, कि I've never auditioned for the projects that I've done.
Done, yeah.
So that was never a plan.
Yeah.
वो plan था ही नहीं, वो मेरे दिमाग में था ही नहीं ना कि मैं ऐसे इसके बाद ये करने वाला हूँ. Anything for that matter. मैंने किसी के लिए भी ऐसे ऑडिशन के जरिए मैं नहीं गया. Yes, I met them, they had a meeting with me, they liked me, they felt कि he can justify the character, then yes. तो वो वैसा हुआ. बट ये कभी नहीं हुआ कि मैंने कुछ चाहा है और मैंने उसके लिए प्रिपरेशन की है और फिर वो नहीं होता.
Exactly.
तो लाइफ हैज़ बीन ऑलवेज अनप्रिडिक्टेबल टू मी एंड इन द मोस्ट अनप्लान्ड मैनर. एंड सो व्हाट आई हैव डिसाइडेड कि जैसे कि तुमने मुझसे पूछा ना कि पेशेंस अब मुझ में इतना आ गया है कि अब लेट लाइफ विल हैपन टू मी ऑटोमेटिकली ऑन इट्स ओन. आई विल गो विद इट.
And so on
आई विल फ्लो विद इट. वैसा.
So what are you doing next? अभी CID और कितना टाइम कर रहे हो आप? Is it a finite episode when it comes to your part, or you're like continuing the show now?
नहीं, अभी तो आई वुड से फाइनाइट ही होगा.
Finite.
But because of the reasons कि I have other projects to do.
Yeah.
But ये नहीं कहूँगा कि मेरा अभी एग्जिट हो रहा है या ऐसा कुछ.
No.
ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. आई एम वेरी मच अ पार्ट ऑफ द शो एंड वेरी मच एन्जॉइंग द शो. एंड येस, आगे के अपडेट्स तो आपको मिल ही जाएंगे. बट
Obviously,
वॉट एवर
yeah.
एपिसोड्स आर कमिंग राइट नाउ, प्लीज डू वॉच बिकॉज
Yeah.
these are the episodes that the audience will come to know why ACP Ayushman has come into CID show. So yeah, I'm waiting for that for people to see it. And yeah, there are other, there is a film that is happening, there is a web series that is happening. So simultaneously I have to now go over there also.
Yeah, but Parth, it's always amazing to interview you before any project because I feel you never, leave a chance to surprise anyone, and may
Yes.
you do. And I'm really looking forward कि अब कौन सा layer आएगा ACP
Oh, yeah,
प्रद्युमन का, sorry
Ayushmann.
ACP आयुष्मान का,
Yes, yes,
with
yes.
ACP प्रद्युमन maybe.
Yeah,
So,
yeah. नहीं, but thank you so much. It's always
Pleasure,
a pleasure to talk to you. And yes, if you guys don't know, she loves gossiping. So yeah. cut.
No.
But yes, it's fun, and thank you for having me. And I've always enjoyed chatting with you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I've been your biggest fan.
Oh.
And I'm telling this on record.
इसको कट मत करना.
हाँ, इसको मैं खुद ही नहीं कट करूँगी, but actually I've been your biggest fan.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having me. Hi, this is Parth Samtan, and you're watching me on Bollywood Bubble.